Hi guys, so this is the part of the show. Actually, no, I'm just being stupid here. You know what? We're going to start over. Hi guys. Um, I watched a video from Charlie over at Overtime Arcade. Well, I'll say that 3 times fast. And I'll link to the video in the description. And he's working on one of these Matsushita, however you pronounce it, monitors. And the Flyback caught on fire. And he purchased a Flyback off of eBay. And when I was watching the video, I was like, ooh, that sounds ominous. Purchase a Flyback off of eBay. And of course he put it together and he had no heater voltage. So you have no picture. And the heater voltage is a winding off of the Flyback. So I messaged him and I said, hey, I've got some of those things kicking around. So I'll go ahead and send you a Flyback. No big deal. And so he said, he really appreciated that and he offered to send me a t-shirt. So we're doing a trade. I'm going to send him this Flyback. I'm actually going to remove it. I'll remove it and send it to him. That way it's easier to ship. And yeah, so he's going to get this Flyback. And then you can see that on his channel. Make sure you're subscribed there. His channel's great. It's way more production and it's just a different content than what I offer. It's more of a documentary type, day in the life type thing of arcade stuff. So it's really good. If you like John's Arcade, you'll like Charlie. It's a lot like that. So I think Charlie's kind of filling that void for us who want that kind of entertainment. So yeah, definitely go check out Overtime Arcade. His video with that thing on fire. Go check it out. The Flyback was literally flamed out. So yeah, I'm gonna hook him up, send this one over. Hey, it's almost Christmas, so we're helping each other out, and that's what it's all about, really, is a couple arcade guys just helping each other out. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this, and we'll get this shipped to him, and keep an eye on his channel, because I'm going to be curious and looking forward to seeing this Flyback fix his game. So cool, get to it. Well, here she is. Now, this bracket actually holds this thing together. Yeah, it's just kind of loosey. It's a weird Flyback. Yeah, I don't know. Strange, but it looks good. No cracks, no nothing like that. I'm not sure if I tested this. I think I did test this Flyback, maybe. I don't remember, to be honest. But, yep, there it is. It's a little dirty, but whatever. I got it, I air compressed it off a little bit. There you go. So we'll get this thing off into the mail to Charlie and hopefully get his Kangaroo game back up and running. Even better yet, guys, this is another chassis that I just had in a box, and somebody sent me, I must have been 2 years ago, maybe 3. Somebody sent me a gift, and it was a box full of Matsushita, I don't know how you say it, parts, and this was a chassis that was in there. I just grabbed it out, and what I'm doing is testing its functions as far as high voltage and heater voltage. And if I turn it on, and it gets a pretty wonderful smell. And of course I have the anode, I have that going to a glass jar. And it's turned on, and if I All right. .3 volts. I guess I only need, how is it? Yeah, it's giving me 5 volts AC. Yeah, 5 volts AC. And my little lamp here, you can see that neon lamp glow. I don't know if you can see that. Let me get the viewfinder turned around. Yeah, that lamp glows. Yeah, you can see that glowing, that neon lamp glowing. This is a good flyback. The other one is untested. Chances are the other one is good as well, but I don't know for sure because it's untested. This one I just tested it. We have heater voltage and we have high voltage. So I think I'm going to go ahead and remove this one and send this one, because this one's tested good. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And maybe I'll put the other flyback on this one, on this chassis. All right, yeah, let me do that, because I want Charlie to get a good flyback. I don't want to have to do this again. Let's do it once and get it over with. So this one's going to go to Charlie. And there you got it. 2 flybacks. This is the one that I just removed. I put a C on it, because that one's going over to Charlie. And I got another one here. Yeah. This one's untested, but I'm pretty sure it's good. This one I know is good because I just tested it. So, yeah. All right. Cool. Keep an eye out for that video. Subscribe to Charlie's channel if you're not. Go check it out. All his videos are great. Way more entertaining production value than what I offer here. So it's a good channel, man. It's a great channel. So go ahead and go over there. And you'll be seeing this flyback going into his kangaroo game. All right. All right. And that's what the package is going to look like. Little Priority Mail Cube box. Just a little guy, maybe 6 by 6 by 6.